Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add scan with Malwarebytes in context menu. Open Malwarebytes. Click Settings. Click Application tab. Turn on Show Malwarebytes options in Windows Explorer under Windows Context menu. Scan with Malwarebytes is added to context menu. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.